So will a bank finance a brand new house on a piece of land if somebody just finds a piece of land that they want to buy?
Yeah, no, they will. I mean, it can be tricky. It's called a construction to perm loan. And so what you do is you pick a builder, you pick out house plans, you pick out a piece of land. The bank will come in, buy the land, and you pick out your house plans, and they will release money to the builder. There are some things that buyers need to be aware of. Banks do not like it if the land is more than 20-25% of the build out. So if you go out and buy a $100,000 piece of land, they're going to want you to put a $400,000 house on it. That's what they'll be comfortable with. You go out and buy a $100,000 piece of land and build a $150,000 house, that's got a land to home ratio that scares banks. There's some banks that actually have an acreage limitation. So if you get above 10 acres, which a lot of people in Chatham County have 10 acres or more, that can be an acreage cutoff. What you can do in that situation is you could cut out 2 acres, build a house on it, and then have different financing for the remaining 8 or whatever acreage it is that goes over. You could either do a second loan, which is not going to be as good of an interest rate and it'll have a quicker amortization, and or you might be able to do owner financing with a seller directly. But one of the key things that people need to know is that it's very, very difficult to get a raw land loan right now. It is easy to buy a half acre or a quarter acre in like a golf course community, but once you start getting into larger acreage, 1, 2, 3, 10 acres, banks get a little bit scared. People need to get over the idea, no matter how good their credit is, they are not going to find a 100-acre piece of land and put a $10,000 single wide on it and think that the bank's going to finance it. They're not going to touch that.